What's up guys, Michiana Rail fan here. Today I'm reviewing some N scale stuff, as you can see. Crap. But yeah, I finally picked a region I want to model in actually a single scale, and that's, well, N scale. There goes a hopper. But yeah, I'm gonna pick Illinois for this, because as you can see I have a Santa Fe past unit here, and an Illinois Central unit here, and I plan on getting more IC units because there's a whole lot of them at that train show, and they usually keep stock from last year's show there. But anyway, as you can see, I picked up 4 pieces of rolling stock, all for $107. Well, it was 70% off because the hobby shop's closing soon, or tomorrow is their last day actually. So yeah, it was actually 60, but they gave me an extra 10% off. So yeah, I got 4 pieces of rolling stock and some HO rail joiners and glue. So yeah, that's pretty cool of them. I got it all for $30, even though it was all $107. But yeah, so we're gonna be unboxing some of this. This is a kind of a first. So we're gonna start off with this N&W hopper. This is an Athearn N scale. See, the packaging is very unique for Athearn, as in the plastic covering. As you guys know, I've seen that on HO models. As you can see, it's just a standard 2-bay cement hopper. It's pretty detailed for N scale. It's not scale trains detail, but still it's detailed enough, I guess. It's pretty good. Yeah, we'll just set that on the track and we'll get ready to run these here. I must admit, these feel weird. A lot smoother running. Alright, next up we have this Norfolk and Western boxcar to go along with it. This is a microtrains one, which I hear a lot of people complaining about the wheels. Their packaging just has this L-shaped plastic cover. But yeah, as you can see, it is basically the HO scale version, just N scale. I hear a lot of people complain about the cookie cutter wheels on microtrain, so I'm gonna see. Well, it's wrong. Oh shoot! Oh crap! There it goes already. Up there and already went. And didn't really break anything off of it. But yeah, I hear a lot of people complain about the wheels on here. But it ran pretty smoothly, at least, on the layout here. And yeah, overall it's just a HO scale version, but instead of it's a Norfolk and Western one, different road name. Yeah, we'll just set that on here now. Look at that, couple of right on up. Alright, next up we have this 40-foot Mopac boxcar. This one has not Mopac markings on it, actually. It says I-GN. So, as you can see, it's just your standard 40-foot. This is a Atlas model. I don't know what it went. Yeah, it's an Atlas model.
What color is this shirt?
Details pretty good on it. See if it has opening doors by chance. Doors don't open, but seems to run pretty smooth with everything else. Alright. Now, finally, we've reached the Con Belt flat car. This one's about as long as the box car there. Now, this is some tricky packaging right here. Instructions are on the back, of course. Now, I've never actually reviewed anything Atlas on here yet, so yeah, this is the first. Well, the frame detail isn't really much. Like, there's air tanks, I guess, but it's not as much as any other stuff here. Not even the 40-foot that was made by the same company. Oh, that's the rail, by the way. But, the top and whatnot, it's all pretty detailed. See how it runs well here. And, alright, we're having a little bit of trouble coupling. Alright, it seems to be running well, I guess. Now we're going to hook up the two Bachmann boxcars that we started off with and scale and put her on here. Alright, let's take a look here. Alright, so we have all the boxcars now. We have the entire manifest here, except for the vintage stuff. That stuff's not going on here. And we'll just put Jeep on there. On the front here, see what happens. We run these. Hopefully it won't derail. And now, if I could, oh shoot, the wheels popped out of place on this photo. Alright, well, now we should be set all up and ready to roll, as Athearn says. Okay, and I will now be conducting a test train with all the rolling stock plus some Bachmann extras. As you can see, we have the well, you can't see actually because it's off screen, but we have the consist all set up. We'll have the high cube at the head of the train since it is the biggest car, and I don't want to string the train out, so yeah. Now we'll turn it on. And yeah, now we're moving. Now, so you can see all the rolling stock seems to be running well. We're at what is considered 50 on the Athearn controller. Turn up to 80 here. Yeah, running well. No derailments yet. So either I'm running it good or it's just real well rolling stock. I'm glad it all clears the curves, considering the radius, so yeah. That's just, now we're gonna put it at full speed on here. I presume the table is offset because it seems to like be on because it gets like from here all the way over in that half of the circle right here. It seems to slow down, then down here it sounds like it's speeding up, so yeah. I must admit this was the first of unboxing Atlas and microtrain stuff, and I'm impressed with it. But now, here comes a challenge. We're going to run this all behind a vintage locomotive. And as we all know, those go very unrealistically fast. Well, maybe not unrealistically, but just very fast. So we're going to be adding the Bachmann cars up front, because I don't want to ruin these cars' couplings. And Bachmann ones have, better couplings. They can handle more than these ones. But yeah, Bachmann has better couplers for running vintage stuff with this. I know I switched them out with Rapido couplers as they had those in the package. We're gonna add, as you can presume, we're gonna add all the vintage couplers on here. Well, not all the vintage couplers on. Shoot, I said that wrong. I'm not even gonna add vintage couplers. I meant to say I'm gonna add all the vintage rolling stock here. Well, actually, we've had some out of service. I planned on getting more. Another thing was in the box, the N&W 2-bay, actually, it kind of looked like it had vintage couplings, which is why I was going for it in the first place. I also would have picked up a Grand Trunk and Western passenger consist that I saw there. Is 4 heavyweights and a Canadian National baggage. Since the Grand Trunk was owned by Canadian National, whenever they operated the Maple Leaf service through my area, they always had at least a Canadian National baggage car on there. Alright, well, we have the consist set up, so we're going to be running her now. Under this Bachmann GP40. Well, the last one we ran with the Bachmann GP40, but this is vintage Bachmann GP40. This is early 90s or late 80s right here. We're gonna see how it works or how it does. Oh crap! We got to stop that. There we are right there. We'll just turn it on up to full speed. Now it seems to be running pretty fast even at full speed on a vintage engine, so yeah, I presume it's doing pretty good. Do a couple more loops around here, then I'm gonna cut the video. Wow, we're at 12 minutes already. Alright, well, yeah, I reckon that's enough. So yeah, first Atlas and Microtrains review on the channel, and first actual review of any rolling stock probably. But yeah, so hope to keep doing this, and I credit my hobby shop, who is sadly retiring. The guys there are, and I'm heading back there again tomorrow for a little get together with them. I actually met with another get together at their house a couple months ago. But yeah. So till next time, this was Michiana Railfan. Sign off.